we'll guide you through how to turn on Gmail notifications on your desktop. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Gmail website. Sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're in your inbox, look for the gear icon in the top right corner and click on it to open the settings menu. In the drop-down, click on See All Settings to access the full settings page. Now, navigate to the General tab, which is usually the first one open by default. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Desktop Notifications. Here, you have a few options. You can choose to turn on notifications for all new mail or just for important mail, depending on your preference. Select the option that best suits your needs. After making your selection, make sure to click the Click Here to enable desktop notifications for Gmail link that appears next to the options. A browser pop-up will appear asking for permission to show notifications. Click Allow to give Gmail permission to send you notifications. This is important to ensure that notifications are delivered to your desktop. Don't forget to scroll to the bottom of the settings page and click Save Changes to apply your new settings. Now you should receive a notification whenever a new email arrives in your Gmail account. This can be especially useful if you want to stay updated without constantly checking your inbox. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.